highway, right? Going back to my house. Next thing you know, big ass airplane. Ford Jet 1. Ford Jet 1 UPS. Nah, but why is it going so slow? Why is it like bending? And why is it like facing forward like that, bro? That's honestly weird. Or it's just like how it lands. I want to see the successful landing if I even can see it. Yo, this traffic needs to hurry the hell up, bro. I want to see this. I want to see this airplane. Oh my god, the sun, bro. Oh my god, he's the. Oh my, what is that? I've never seen that. And yeah, the airplane disappeared. Just kidding, it landed. And yeah, peace. Okay, what the heck is that?